The Prairie Heights Middle School project is about 25%, about a quarter done right now. If you were to go by the site, you will see second-story steel is out of the ground. The elevator shaft is up to the second floor. A couple of columns of masonry, which contain the restrooms and the plumbing, are prominent features right now before the skin of the building goes on. Of course, the overlot grading is complete. There's some finished grading that will take place towards the athletic fields a little later in the project as we get closer to putting in practice fields and a track. Project is on schedule and on budget at this point in time. So, this project was basically a grant-funded project from the Building Excellence Schools Today grant program from the state of Colorado. We had to raise about $8.2 million in matching funds from our local taxpayers. Thank you very much for the November 2012 bond election that raised that money. And the state gave us about $22 million additional dollars. That will cover the cost of building this new school as well as tearing down the old John Evans building. This school is a replacement for John Evans. The John Evans building reached its 50-year-old mark. It had a lot of fairly significant problems. Water line breaks, had a lot of asbestos, still does have a lot of asbestos in it. We can manage that, but it's just time to replace that building. It's served its useful life. The new building has state-of-the-art technology. It'll be the first building we have that has a complete camera system for security. It has two-story lights, skylights basically in the center of the building, a couple of those, so that there'll be a lot of outside light that's reaching the building interior. It will have an athletic field and a track. It will have well-planned traffic egress and entrance points. So this will be a state-of-the-art school. Every grade level, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, will have its own kind of pod, its own kind of focus. There will be an outdoor classroom for each of the 3 grade levels as well. So there'll be a lot of interesting features for this school. It has a green roof, which is an area just outside the library on the 2nd story on the roof, where students will be able to go. We'll have Wi-Fi out there so they can, I'm not sure how we'll furnish it yet, but certainly we could put some plantings and some tables and chairs out there so students could be out there and do some studying. Full-scale cafeteria, nice gym, competition-sized gym. And the performing arts area will be a combination of, we'll use the cafeteria floor space basically, and there will be a small stage off the cafeteria opposite the kitchen and the serving areas. We should be completed towards the end of June 2015, and we'll begin getting the building set up for occupancy, and we expect to start school in August of 2015 under the new name, Prairie Heights Middle School.